Good day, everybody. I'm going to show you how to install scales onto your Goat multi-tool. Every core tool comes in stainless steel and a satin finish like seen here, as well as the black oxide. Our scales come in 4 pieces, as well as 8 brand new screws with Loctite pre-applied and a 2mm wrench. And we include the 2mm wrench just in case you don't have the 2mm that came pre-installed in the core configuration. But since we do have a core configuration, standard, we're going to use this one. Now you might be asking why scales, and that's just twofold. One is purely aesthetic choice, as well as a slight increase in ergonomics. The only drawback is that there's a slight change in weight. The brass scales, as we have here, weigh 1.2 ounces or 35 grams, while the titanium options we have only weigh 0.7 ounces or 20 grams. Now, when you do the pivot screws by the plier end, if they spin freely, spinning the entire pivot as well as the other side, you can just open up the pliers and pinch it closed, and that's going to lock that pivot in place between the handle and the plier. It makes it a whole lot easier. And you'll notice the pocket clip works with all of our scales as well. And we'll reinstall 2mm. And there you have it. So here's the brass and the titanium. And if you check the link in the description below, you'll find the template files for these scales, in case you want to make them out of anything else. You 3D print them, laser cut them. You can make them out of virtually anything. The options are limitless. This entire platform was built around the idea of you, the customers, being able to customize, modify, and tweak these tools to be as personal as possible. And we can't wait to see what you guys are able to do. The one I've personally been carrying around every day is the satin stainless steel with titanium scales, but I hit the other side of the titanium scales with a blowtorch and got some of that beautiful multicolored anodization on it. And we highly recommend not doing this while it's already on the tool, because you can mess up the heat temper on the blade, as well as some of the other items. All right, you all take care, and we'll see you in the next one.